Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drink Omega-3 full guide. Tilt the capsule slightly, place it on your tongue, and sip water to swallow smoothly. If you prefer liquid oils, measure the recommended milligrams with a dropper and mix into yogurt or a smoothie. Take with a meal that contains some fat for better absorption. Keep consistent timing each day to build a reliable habit for benefits. Choosing capsules versus liquid depends on taste, dosing, and convenience. Capsules hide the fishy flavor and are simple to swallow, while liquid gives precise milligram control and mixes into food. Always measure doses carefully and compare concentrations so you get the same omega-3 amount whether you use capsules or oil. Store both types properly and use before the expiration date for best quality and potency. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful videos for you. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof containers for storing smoothies or yogurt with omega-3 oil. They make prep and cleanup a breeze. Check the description for the link and other deals that I mention. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Timing your omega-3 intake can improve results and comfort. Pair supplements with meals that contain healthy fats like avocado or nuts to enhance absorption. If you take medications that affect bleeding, check with your clinician before starting omega-3 or changing doses. Pick a consistent time, such as morning with breakfast or evening with dinner, to create a daily habit and reduce the chance of missed doses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.